Happy good day and welcome to Lesson 1 of Stitching Serenity, Crocheting Your Way to Mental Wellness. In this lesson, you'll master the fundamentals of yarn and crochet hook basics, setting the foundation for your crochet journey. Let's begin with yarn basics. Every yarn label is a treasure trove of information. Here's what you need to look for. First is the brand and line name, usually displayed prominently on the label. For instance, in this example, we have Big Twist Yarns as the brand and Baby as the line name. Second is yarn weight. It tells you how thick or thin the yarn is. This one is weight 4, which is considered a medium weight yarn. Third is gauge. The gauge information helps you achieve the correct tension. It's presented in two boxes, one for knitting and one for crocheting. It consists of the number of stitches and rows and the appropriate knitting needle or crochet hook size for the yarn. Fourth is yarn length and fiber content, which are essential for project planning. Fiber content tells you what the yarn is made of. In this case, it's 100% acrylic. Fifth is laundry care. Know how to care for your creation with these symbols. This yarn can be machine washed in warm water, but should not be bleached or ironed. Check out the laundry symbols article with a cheat sheet from Tide in the description box. Sixth is color and dye lot. Ensure consistent colors in your project by matching the color and the dye lot numbers. This skein has a color number of 04002 and a dye lot number of 2016-03-K378. Seventh is the yarn name. The label includes the yarn's name, which in this case is Twinkle Little Star. Now let's dive into crochet hook basics. Understanding your crochet hook is crucial for creating beautiful stitches. First is the head or point, the hook tip used to insert through stitches. It can be round or pointed. Second is the throat. The throat connects the bowl to the shaft, guiding the yarn. Third is the shaft. The loops of yarn are held here, and its size determines your stitch size. Fourth is the thumb rest, which is located below the shaft. It helps you control the hook's orientation as you crochet. Your thumb and one or two fingers will be placed here to grip the hook. Fifth is the handle. Grip it according to your preference for control, either in the knife or pencil positions. Sixth is the mouth/bowl and lip/nose. The mouth holds the yarn, while the lip retains it as you create your stitch. Crochet hooks come in various materials and sizes. There's a hook for every preference, from steel and plastic to aluminum and wood. Specialized hooks like Tunisian crochet hooks or ergonomic hooks cater to specific needs. Remember, American and British hook sizes differ, so consult a conversion chart to ensure you're using the correct size. You can find this one in the article linked in the description box. Selecting the suitable yarn and hook pairings is key. Lighter weight yarns match smaller hooks, while heavier weight yarns need larger ones. Your stitch tension also affects your choice. Smaller hooks are needed if your stitches are looser to match the gauge, while tighter stitches call for larger ones. Check out this yarn and hook pairing chart in the article linked in the description box. You have now completed Lesson 1 on yarn and hook basics. These skills are the building blocks for your crochet journey. Remember to check the label for yarn details, understand your crochet hook, choose the suitable materials, and pair them wisely. Next, it's time to put your knowledge to the test with our discussion questions, word wall activity, and Lesson 1 quiz. Get ready to crochet your way to relaxation and creativity.